grateful to our President, no, for issuing Proclamation 818, declaring the month of May as the ease of doing business month. Bakit po May, kung inyong itanong? Because it was on May 26, 2018 when the former President signed Republic Act 11032, or the ease of doing business and efficient delivery of government services delivery law. In fact, this coming May 22, ARTA will be celebrating its 7th year anniversary. So together in the celebration, it's going to be a month-long celebration, starting with a simultaneous flag raising event. Kasi every Monday, yung mga government agencies are having our flag raising. So i-highlight po doon yung na-produce ng ating Public Relations Division, common logo, common design. At then on May 11, meron po tayong Run for Better Business Movement. Unfortunately, sarado na po yung registration, no? Kasi limited lang dito sa may Tomas Morato, Sunday, May 11. Join us. Kung hindi po physically, you can join us online, no, sa Kasayahan. And then from May 13 to May 15, meron pong nationwide inspections of government agencies. At magkakaroon din po ng parang one-stop shop, providing driver's license, SSS, PhilHealth registrations, passport renewals, no, all over the country, and where we have written the concerned government agencies to join us. Nationwide inspection, inatasan ko po yung ating mga regional field offices, kasama po yung ating partner agencies, DILG, DICT, tsaka DTI, na pupuntahan po yung mag-random check sa mga government agencies to check on their green lane, at
award, halimbawa yung e-boss, business permit. Napakalaking bagay ng business permit, but napakaraming issues ng bayan natin. Yung ating naiiwan tayo sa competitiveness sa mundo, hindi sa isang anggulo lang ito, ang dami nito. Pati yung ating tao na hindi makakuha ng trabaho, dapat madali lang magtrabaho eh. Kung may encourage tayong magnegosyo. Marami rin gusto mag-invest sa Pilipinas. Kung tingin nila, predictable yung sitwasyon. Malaking bagay yung naitutulong ni Secretary Perez, yung ARTA. Kaya lang, masyadong mahaba na yung panahon na naging komplikado na eh. Hindi madaling i-unbundle eh. Kahit na magbigay ka ng effort para ayusin, hindi maaayos sa madaling panahon. Kailangan lakihan yung army. Kaya nga maganda yung negosyo. Sabi, kung magtulong kaya tayo, kasi yung organization, bata pa eh. Popularity lang.
Lang. Okay. Ito po ang matagal na namin problema is FDA. Sobrang tagal na po, from the start na nasunog po yung Star Mall ng Alabang. Nahihirapan na po kaming kumuha ng mga records namin. Nung pandemic po, hindi na kami nakakapasok dun sa FDA dahil wala pong face-to-face. Hanggang until now po, na-expire na po yung aming mga permit and others po, hindi pa rin po kami nakakapag-produce. Na-expired na rin po yung mga product. Wala pa rin po kaming produce. Ngayon po, ano po ba ang pwede niyong itulong sa amin, sa mga maliliit na negosyante na talagang umaasa na kami dun sa FDA? Sobrang tagal na po kasi ng processing nila eh.
Buti na banggit nyo yan po. In fact, hindi lang po kayo yung kauna-unahan na nagsalita tungkol dyan. But tinutulungan po natin yung FDA na improve yung kanilang services. In fact, lumapit sila sa amin. And the first thing that we did, tinulungan po natin sila na i-update yung kanilang citizen charter.